Hey guys, let's see how you can find a Reolink camera IP address in the network. It's super simple. There are different ways you can do this. You see that I have the camera already connected via cable here. So it's coming from the switch. It's a PoE switch that powers the camera. And the switch is also connected here to this router, okay? So basically I have everybody in the same network. I have the camera, the computer, also this NAS and the router in the same network. And then the camera is on, and I can use my computer to find the IP address of the camera. I can use a cell phone and even use this NAS, right? Let me just explain here with the computer first. So you come here and you download this Reolink app. You just go to the Reolink website, download this one, and this one can find the camera in the network. You see that I just need to come here, click to add a device, and it's going to scan the network and find the Reolink camera. See here, the Reolink RLC 510A, and here's the IP address, 10.0.0.102. So basically the camera is receiving an IP from the router directly. As long as you connect a cable here, and the cable is connected to the same network as the router is, and the router is going to give the camera an IP address, and you can find here using the Reolink software. Super simple. Then you just need to add the camera and you're good to go. You insert here the username and password. At first it's admin and there is no password, it's blank, right? I already created a password here for this camera, so I would just type it here and I just hit login and it's done, right? So I have the camera working here with the software. That's one way to go. Let me just close the software down, and I can use a cell phone as well. So here with the cell phone, you just need to come and look for the app. Let me just come here to the main screen so you see it, that I have the App Store, and I can just look for the Reolink app. That's the one to go. So come here, let's just change to this other camera so you see better. There we go. So here you're gonna look for Reolink. You see here, you start typing Reolink. There we go. You have here Reolink client. Let me just select this one. And you see here that you have the Reolink app. That's the one I already have installed here. And I just need to open it. And there we go. Now I just need to come here and add a new device. So it's gonna look for the camera via the QR code. This camera doesn't have a QR code available. See here, no QR code at all. So what I have to do is just come here and use this option here with the LAM, right? So if you have a QR code, you just scan it. If you don't, you just need to come here and select LAM. And you see it doesn't find anything here. So what I have to do is just make sure that my cell phone is in the same network as the router that I have here. So I'm basically connecting my cell phone to the router. So I come here just to make sure that I'm in the same network. So I'm not right now because it's connected to a repeater that I have here. So I just change here, go to the Wi-Fi settings, and I look for the Wi-Fi. That's the one. Basically the same Wi-Fi here for the computer, for the camera. And then when I come back here, it finds the camera. See here the IP, 10.0.0.102. So now I can just add the camera, right? Super simple. And I just need to insert here the username and password. Let me just insert here that I have a password. I have a temp password. So I just come here and I insert temp pass. Oops. There we go. And then I can have access to the camera. There we go. Working, right? Just moving the camera here. So that's working. I can even save the password if I want to. I'll hit here, not now, and I'm good to go. So that's the second way you can find the camera in the network. Remember that you need to connect your cell phone to the same Wi-Fi router that the camera is connected to, right? And here in the computer, again, let me just use this software here, see ODM. That's the ONVIF device manager. Used to be called like this, right? ONVIF Device Manager. Now it's just ODM. You can just download from the internet. Just look for ODM version 2.2.250. It's a free software. Just Google it and you can download. And here you see that finds the camera in the network. It scans the network as well. And here you see the live video from the camera. And here's the IP address of the camera, okay? So super simple as well, because the camera has the ONVIF protocol that comes enabled, right? As long as you have the ONVIF protocol, the software can find your camera. Super simple. And there's also an option here to use this NAS. So I have here the Ugreen NAS. Let me just log in here with my username and password. There we go. And here you see that I have this surveillance center. And I can just add a new camera. You see that finds the camera here in the network. That's the one. That's the Reolink camera, because the ONVIF protocol is enabled here and the software can find the camera, and I can just add here as well, insert the username and password, and I'm good to go, right? So different ways to find the IP address for our Reolink camera in the network, right? So if you like this video, please leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.